Hungary, a country where history meets charm, and every street, spa, and castle tells a story. In this video, we're counting down the 20 must-visit places in Hungary. Breathtaking destinations that will make you fall in love with this incredible country. Let's begin. Number 20, Esztergom. Perched on the banks of the Danube, Esztergom is the birthplace of Hungary and the nation's first capital. Its crowning a jewel, the Esztergom Basilica is one of Europe's largest churches, rising high above the river with views that stretch across to Slovakia. Step inside to admire its grand dome and ornate interior, or climb to the top for sweeping views of the Danube Bend. Small, yet majestic, Esztergom beautifully captures Hungary's royal and spiritual beginnings. Number 19, Sopron. Near the Austrian border, the charming town of Sopron blends the best of both worlds, Hungarian heart and Austrian elegance. Wander through cobblestone streets lined with pastel Baroque buildings. Then stop by the Fire Watch Tower, a city symbol offering sweeping views. Sopron's old town feels like stepping back in time, filled with cozy cafes, wine cellars, and a relaxed vibe. Number 18, Hortobag National Park. Welcome to the Great Hungarian Plain, where endless skies stretch over shimmering grasslands. Hortobag National Park is Hungary's largest protected area and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, you'll find traditional shepherd huts, grazing gray cattle, and herdsmen showing off centuries-old horse riding skills. It's a peek into Hungary's wild heart, where nature, culture, and heritage merge. Time your visit for sunset, when the sky turns fiery orange over the plains. It's absolutely magical. Number 17, Eger. Famous for its Baroque beauty and red wine, Eger is one of Hungary's most romantic cities. Explore the grand Eger Castle, which once defended Hungary from the Ottoman invasion. Then wander the pastel streets to the minaret, a reminder of its Ottoman past. No trip to Eger is complete without sipping its legendary bull's blood wine in the Valley of the Beautiful Women, where local cellars offer cozy tastings in candlelit caves. Between history, wine, and charm, Eger is pure Hungarian magic. Number 16, Szentendre. Just a short train ride from Budapest, Szentendre is an artist's paradise. This riverside town bursts with color. Cobbled lanes lined with art galleries, quirky museums, and handmade crafts. Its mix of Mediterranean charm and Serbian heritage gives it a totally unique vibe. Grab a coffee by the Danube, stroll through art-filled courtyards, and try the local marzipan treats. Szentendre is small, but full of personality, a perfect half-day escape from the capital. Number 15, Lake Tisza. While Balaton gets all the fame, Lake Tisza is Hungary's peaceful, nature-filled alternative. Created as a reservoir, it's now an eco-paradise of wetlands, islands, and birdlife. Rent a kayak or cycle the scenic paths that loop around the water. You might spot eagles, herons, or even otters. It's also one of the few lakes in Europe where you can freely swim, boat, and fish, all in the same place. Number 14, Győr. Nestled between Budapest and Vienna, Győr is a city that glows with architectural beauty. Its Baroque old town is filled with pastel facades, elegant churches, and hidden courtyards. Győr is also a cultural hub. From art galleries to lively festivals, there's always something happening here. It's a city that perfectly blends modern life with timeless beauty. Number 13, Széchenyi Thermal Bath. Széchenyi Thermal Bath is one of Europe's most iconic spas. Its bright yellow neo-Baroque facade encircles large outdoor pools fed by natural hot springs. Whether steaming under winter skies or relaxing under summer sun, the baths feel like a scene from a dream. Number 12, Peach. Down south near Croatia, Peć is a city of art, culture, and sunshine. Influenced by Roman, Ottoman, and Christian heritage, it's one of Europe's most diverse cultural gems. Don't miss the early Christian necropolis, a UNESCO site with ancient frescoes, or the Mosque of Pasha Kazım, blending Islamic and Christian architecture. Peć is also a university town full of life, street music, and cool cafes. It's where ancient history meets youthful energy. Number 11, Tokaj Wine Region. If you love wine, Tokaj is sacred ground. This UNESCO-listed region is home to the world-famous Tokaji Azu, a sweet golden wine once favored by European royalty. Drive through rolling vineyards, tour century-old cellars, and meet passionate winemakers who keep this tradition alive. The landscape itself is stunning. Quiet hills, sleepy villages, and sunsets that seem to glow with the same golden hue as the wine itself. If you're enjoying this countdown so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming travel videos. And if you want to start planning your own adventures, click the link in the description to grab my ultimate travel planner. It'll make your trips easier to plan and more unforgettable. Number 10, Agtelek Caves. Welcome to one of Europe's natural wonders, the Agtelek National Park, home to vast underground cave systems. The Baradla Cave alone stretches over 25 kilometers and dazzles with surreal stalactites, echoing chambers, and underground streams. Guided tours lead you through breathtaking halls, and in some sections, concerts are even held underground. It's an adventure that feels straight out of a fantasy film. Number 9, Visegrad. Perched high above a bend in the Danube, Visegrad is a small town with massive views. Its medieval citadel once guarded royal treasures and now offers one of the most famous panoramas in Hungary. You can hike up to the fortress, wander through its museum, and imagine life in the royal courts of old. The nearby royal palace ruins and lush forests make Visegrad perfect for a day trip from Budapest. Part history, part adventure, and completely stunning. Number 8, Lake Heves. How about a swim in a natural thermal lake? Lake Heves is the largest of its kind in the world. The water stays warm all year, naturally heated by underground springs. Locals say it's not just relaxing, it's healing. The minerals and heat are believed to soothe muscles and improve circulation. Float under lily pads, surrounded by steamy mist, and you'll understand why Heves has been a wellness hotspot for centuries. Number 7, Fisherman's Bastion and Matthias Church. Perched high on Buda Castle Hill, the Fisherman's Bastion provides magical turreted terraces with sweeping views over the Danube and Parliament. Nearby, the Matthias Church wows with its colorful roof tiles and ornate towers. Together, they feel like something out of a storybook. Number 6. Holokr. Step back in time in Holokr, a UNESCO-listed village where centuries-old traditions are still alive. Thatched roof houses, folk costumes, and handmade crafts make it feel like a living museum. The locals take pride in preserving their Palok culture, and during festivals, the whole village bursts into music, dance, and laughter. It's an authentic slice of Hungarian heritage that's rare to find anywhere else. Number 5. Pannonhalma Archabbey. Founded over 1,000 years ago, the Pannonhalma Archabbey is a spiritual and architectural masterpiece. Set atop a hill, it's still a working monastery where Benedictine monks live, pray, and even produce their own wine. Inside, you'll find peaceful cloisters, a beautiful library, and frescoes that radiate serenity. Pannonhalma is more than a historic site, it's a place where you can truly feel time slow down. Number 4. Margaret Island. In the heart of Budapest, Margaret Island is a peaceful green oasis on the Danube. With its tree-lined paths, medieval ruins, fountains, and gardens, it's a perfect blend of nature and history, and visually, just gorgeous for aerial and slow-motion clips. Number 3. Tihany Peninsula. Just across the lake lies the Tihany Peninsula, a breathtaking natural reserve that juts into Lake Balaton. The Tihany Abbey towers above lavender fields, and the scent fills the air every summer. From its cliffs, you'll see sweeping views of the lake and its emerald glow. Tihany isn't just beautiful, it's also volcanic in origin, with ancient geyser cones and echoing hills. A perfect blend of nature, history, and calm. Number 2. Szeged. Szeged enjoys more sunny days than anywhere else in Hungary. Its Art Nouveau architecture, tree-lined boulevards, and lively university atmosphere make it one of the country's most beautiful cities. Don't miss the votive church, an impressive twin-towered cathedral that dominates the skyline, or the Summer Open Air Festival, held right in its square. And finally, number 1, Budapest. No list would be complete without the capital, Budapest, often called the Paris of the East. Divided by the Danube, Buda dazzles with its hills, castles, and panoramic views, while Pest buzzes with nightlife, cafes, and energy. Marvel at the Parliament building, soak in the world-famous Széchenyi thermal baths, and end the night with a river cruise under the glittering chain bridge. Budapest's mix of elegance and grit, history and modern life, makes it one of Europe's most captivating capitals. From hidden villages to royal cities, Hungary truly has it all: history, charm, and endless natural beauty. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified the moment I release a new travel video. And don't forget, click the link in my bio to access the ultimate travel planner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.